Video. Get the bumps on this guy. Look, it's perfect. It's a perfect one because it's a car video, and then you end up hitting the bump anyways. What over there?
Bro, the parking spot right here.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You gotta park. Go. Park.
Come on.
Let's see how nice you are. Look.
Bro. Damn, I really hit my shit though. I didn't know that shit was gonna do that, cuz.
That's how you pop your tire.
Right.
So, the video I gotta make is my 200 subscriber video.
Oh, you got 200? Oh.
About to. Ooh.
My brakes? No.
I should.
That's
wait, power steering.
Fucking power steering. Don't tell me you just did that. This shit just popped just now, bro. Come on,
oh man, what better person to have in the car than me?
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
What are you gonna do?
It can't turn right now.
It could.
You want me to really push that shit?
Whatever, fix it, I don't care. Damn, just how I look, y'all. Me smoking, y'all.
Bro.
That's what 200 subscribers get us. Some more work. It's cool. Just brake, back it up.
Nah, I'm leaving like this.
You gotta back it up though.
I'm gonna have to jack this shit.
Yeah.
On the hill.
Yeah.
Oh god. I'm leaving like this. Let's go get some food.
That's what I'm saying. Let's
We'll
do
come
that.
back to it. I already know it's a pipe.
Yeah,
This shit always happens. It's like the third time me having this car, power steering fucking holes. And I have a lot of holes in the trunk, so I'm good.
Lit.
And I got a jack. And I got tools.
So that's pretty cool though. This is a cool video.
Yeah.
Once we started recording, man, talking to YouTube, they gave us more work to do, man. Look. I don't need them right now. Smoking car right now. But what's up, y'all? Again, so 200 subscribers, man. I appreciate all that shit, man. 100%, I definitely do. A lot of work that still got recorded. A lot of work to do. I'm over here. Where's this Brooklyn Roots right now? About to get a slice of pizza. And look at smoking back there. Fix that little look. You got a vlog? You got a vlog now? Look, that's the shit that happens, man. You don't even know what's going on. You can take this part of the video and put it in yours. You can take this part of the video and put it in yours because of the fact that, you know, you don't have all this. But it's smoking. It's smoking because, I don't know what he did. He hit that bump. Once he hit that bump over there. That bump. Yeah. Yeah, we over here in Sunset Park. And with my Spanish Mexican people out here, Ecuadorians and shit. And the girl inside didn't know one word of English, and he trying to talk to her about some bacon.
She wants to stay.
That shit's not working, but it's cool though. Yeah, I don't know. This is not even a Mexican one. This is a Colombian one. It's a Colombian restaurant out here.
Y'all thirsty, y'all. Shit. Look at Johnny.
You already know I'm on my YouTube shit, man. I got way more videos than you.
How many videos you got?
Nah, I got like 100. Nah, bro, the content though is real.
I'm like, I got 30 videos? I didn't even know.
You didn't even know you did exactly.
I know I did more than 20, 30, man.
Nah, in total I got 150 videos. I got 50 on Lucas Greer and 100 on Too Small Auto.
It should be quick. It should just supposed to be quick. Record. That's good though.
Yeah. That's the whole point.
And it's information. I already told you what's up. I already told you that shit gonna blow.
Yeah, facts, not facts. The car shit doing good. And I'm getting mad people that's like randomly around Brooklyn. I was like, oh, what's up, bro? Nice to see you. Like, I see you working. You know, we neighbors. I'm from Bushwick type shit. It's dope, though. I appreciate y'all. I mean, yeah, That's cool.
500 subscribers, but y'all playing with me.
Yeah, nah, I saw it. I saw it. You got like 4 chain. That's dope.
Playing with me.
Or I need to get all his subscribers on my channel and learn some shit about your cars. Remember, I taught him. I don't even understand. Like, he be doing car work. I taught him. So. But I'm cutting mine out. You stay on your shit. It's good to have your tools in the car, y'all. Yeah, I'm recording this right now. Let's go. See him down there. So stranded in Sunset Park.
Hands too greasy, not sliding in.
It's not sliding in.
I only got to where it was at before.
So what you want me to do? Want me to get dirty? Here. Let me see.
I'm gonna try one more time.
Nah, you can push it a little bit more, bro.
I know I could, but I'm saying like my hands are sliding.
Yeah, we gotta hold on to the back end of it. Yeah, exactly. Hold it, push it a little bit more. But it definitely slides in that whole metal tube. It definitely slides in. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. That you can always fix that later too. And as long as you know now what it is, you took off the bracket.
When it's dry, right?
Yeah. Now when it's dry, you clean it with the napkin. Look, take these napkins, clean them, and then keep on trying to push. Because it's a continuous problem that you're having.
Let me get some more.
Right here in front of me. Bunch of them. These all these shit. Yeah, so power steering hose line, return line, popped, but it wasn't that it broke. It was that it just came out of its.
Yeah, cause I was like, why did you just drop like that?
Yeah. I saw it when it was squirting. I saw it. So.
So that shit was still on though when I took it off there. It was just like halfway on.
Yeah, it was just halfway, like on one side. Yeah, see? Now it looks way better. Now push it up and tighten it, yeah.
Hold on, let me drop my hand now.
And then push it up and tighten it.
Shit. My neck is hurting, bro.
Almost done. Almost done. Now it's the easy part. You use your fingers. No tools.
Yeah. That traction, bitch.
Exactly.
You gotta wiggle the shit in.
Yeah, you playing with that shit.
Oh, I'm catching finger cramps. It's in there though.
Nah, it's in. That's what I'm saying. You can tighten it up now at this point. Because later on, the only thing you have to do is loosen it, and then push it in. You don't have to ever, you won't lose the fluid. And then you got those clamps, it's perfect. That's what I was saying that. You don't got the bracket now, so you can move it down, you could tighten it, and then let it go back up.
It will slide in?
What?
It will slide in?
We slide in.
I see you said tighten it will go back up.
Later on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you mean?
You keep on pushing it. You keep on doing that.
I want to get this shit done now.
That's what I'm saying. So then keep on doing it. But the best thing to do, honestly, would be get a brand new hose, a nice long one. That's a little one size bigger maybe, and then put 3 clamps on each side. Nice and, you know what I mean, long enough where you don't got to worry about it. If it happens next time like that, you don't got to worry about it. You can see everything.
I cut this hose. I measured it.
You know what I'm saying? You can make it even longer, but you got to get one size bigger because it fits perfectly. You want to get a hose that's slightly bigger than that.
I think I do actually. But I ain't doing that shit right now.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, my belt. I gotta change that. Look at that shit.
The belt. Yeah, it looks kind of worn. You could tell though if you need a new belt when you press the gas, and it's like, but it's not like picking up the way it used to pick up.
Yeah.
Because that belt is what gives you the torque. So once you press the gas at the red light,
My man's got a new alternator. He got the newest. He got the premium.
new belt. Yeah.
Not the belt. The alternator.
Yeah, but he didn't put a new belt.
Probably did.
You
Remember you fucked up his Lexus?
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah, same body as this.
Still doing it? Not done?
Yeah, I'm still going.
Alright, well, that was a quick lesson for Kaneki.
You want to try?
Nah, I don't want to try. I'm not getting dirty today. I already got dirty. Look, I got this. Look, from his hood. I ain't doing nothing else, man. That's all his work. I taught this guy how to do his own work, and look, he's out here in the street handling his business. It's very respectable. I told you, man, go outside and do your job, do your work. It's not that hard. Sometimes it does get complicated, man. Car work gets complicated and very unexpected, but if you have everything in your trunk, and nothing to worry about. Huh? I mean, I don't know. Alright, we're gonna finish this up. We out.
Oh, that was after y'all was looking like that the other day. Nah, yeah. I told you. I'm sorry. I was just.
We just wilding real quick on the highway.
This shit open.
Damn it, no.
Look, I'm on my way. I'm gonna be there in like 30 minutes.
Oh, she's wilding now. I can't condone that one.
Yeah,
I told him how to drive. You wilding.
Nah,
you wilding.
Your dad told me how to drive, bro. They were like, my pops said to teach me how to drive. Your dad told me how to drive, bro.
Yeah, dope. That was dope. Nice little run. It was worth it then. The traffic was worth it for that. Because you never get that shit in the BQE.
Yeah, you do.
Nah, on a Friday?
Oh, on a Friday, yeah.
Never.
Construction house.
Never.
No. Only take a bow, that's it.
I think the fans will come out because
No, you don't have to take it. No.
it looks like it's going right around this.
Yeah, but you don't have to take it.
All right, well, we'll try it.
Let me know, I'll help you.
Look, come on, we gotta talk to YouTube. Look, come on.
I'll help you, don't worry about it.
Of course, what's up, y'all? Shorty here. You gotta talk, Shorty.
Look, you fix it good. You're the best mechanic in the neighborhood.
I learned from the best. The little plastic piece.
Yeah.
But 200 subscribers. Thank y'all, man. It's been a pleasure.
Let me see
Here with Shorty all the time. Definitely not easy. Almost 100 videos. Like again, still 2 subscribers. 2 subscribers per video. But I'm working hard out here, man. I got a lot of old content still that I haven't posted up. Just because I'm still working. I'm moving. I'm doing a bunch of shit. But for the most part, it's been fun. Thank you again for watching. It's not easy to do the work and then record it and then explain it and then put it back up and then wait for you guys to give me the feedback. But I do enjoy it. It is pretty fun. So thank you, YouTube. Thank you to the subscribers. Again, 200, man. Now we're on the road to 3. And I appreciate all you guys. I'm trying to give you enough content that y'all could watch me all day, at least for 24 hours. Yeah, I say a lot just because, this is just the beginning. Again, appreciate it, 200 subscribers. Y'all the best. Keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, comment. Talk to me. I'm here. I'm real, man. Thank you again.